Hello, student. It is the page number of 6 and last paragraph, last page of your book. The A reading, the lesson attitude is altitude. Let's start. He has visited, him is Nick, visited different country all over the world. The football fan is now is motivational speaker and has traveled over the 24 countries speaking to group of up to 110,000 people. Now Nick, till this lesson was written, he traveled around 24 countries. Before, Nick was a fan of football but now he became a motivational speaker because his thinking became positive, and now he told कि now I will spend my life to motivate like me other disabled person. And after that, he nearly 110,000 group of people he had motivated till that time this lesson was written. He moved in Los Angeles 2 years ago in 2007 and plans to continue the travel the world. He went Los Angeles in 2007. After this, he planned he will like this travel in all around the world in different country and motivate the like me people and give hope to like me and like me means disabled people. Now, if I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse, bad, worse, worst. This is the comparative degree of bad. Then we realize what Nick told. If I fail, I can't sit like this. I try again, try until then I tried when I would get success. And what you do? If you fail means how you are finishing? Are you try again or living just like this? And he told God made like this means human spirit. God made us like this. We can handle the bad to bad things in our life. Sometimes we think we can't live without our parents, without our life partner. But any incident taken place means man die with that person who died? No. We live and we manage like this. God made us. We can handle the bad to bad things in our life. That is why we should take the failure positively and handle it. Not live in middle. It matter how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strongly? Said. What is mean by that? What does it mean? If you are decided to do something and you get fail means so many person live like this only. They could not able to do this. But it is no matter how many time you fail to succeed or reach your aim. That is only important at that time where your position is there. How you finish it. Finish it means you failed 100 times, but at last you get succeed in your aim. You achieve your goal. So you will be successful, not call failure. That only important. That's why we should not disappoint. We just keep do our work, hard work, and burning desire. Then only we can get succeed in our life. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves. What Nick told, I always, because I told, now he visited so many country and he planned to visit so many country to motivate. Now he is a motivational speaker, and he told to people, when you are get fail, then what you to keep getting up means don't leave, just keep doing that, don't get disappointment, and never hate yourself, always love yourself. So many person after that getting disappointment and telling to their self they could not do anything and they are attempt any wrong step in their life. That's why nothing is impossible. If you have burning desire and you are positive thinking, then you can achieve whatever you want to do in life. He said, if I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. Why he is told like this? Because before he was thinking negative and he was always hate to God, but after that he is telling like this. So many person in this world who are feeling like this. That is why he is telling, I am giving motivational speech and motivate to like this person, not only disabled person, the normal person also. Because if we will see one disabled person can able to achieve everything what he want to achieve, then why not a normal person can achieve? That is why he is telling, if I am able to give hope or encouragement to any one person in my life, then my job will be over. Now let's see that body structure and looks are inborn, means our physique and looks is like our face. Now body structure it God made, it is not in our hand. We did not choose or make our body, we can't do anything. What is our body structure is there, physics is there, we can't change because it is inborn, by birth we got from the God. We need not to take pride or feel ashamed, means same of our looks or body structure. We should not be pride ki we are very beautiful, I am very smart, tall, and this. That is nothing is there in life. Pride or shame comes from our behavior. We respect people and people respect us for our skill, behavior and quality. We should be pride only our behavior and our skill and our intelligence and our quality. People, if you respect the people, no one time everybody will impressed by your beauty, but after that everybody impressed by only your intelligence, your hard working and your skill. So just concentrate on your intelligence, not your beauty. Just we should look after our body also, but we should not tease or not proud to be see our physical and compare to other. Okay, thank you. Hello student, today I am taking this your textbook page number 11 grammar bit, defining and non-defining relative clause. You know clause, what is a clause? Okay, now let's us read the following sentence. The woman who taught him surfing had been bitten by a shark. Here the woman who taught him surfing had been bitten by a shark. That who is a relative pronoun. What is a relative pronoun? Who, which, whom, whose, that. These are all relative pronoun. Where now relative pronoun is giving information about what? The woman only. So because it is giving this part giving information about only woman. Okay, that is, it is a defining relative clause. Okay, now next see. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Now Nick, here Nick and this relative clause, this na where the who started their relative clause, that two information, more information giving Nick. One, who was teased and bullied, and one more, has an electric wheelchair for mobility. So it is non-defining relative clause. Okay, now it is used comma and hyphen. Hyphen means like dash it is putting, that is used there. And one more extra information is there in sentence means, that is non-defining clause. Okay, let's see other example, then you will understand more. It is in your book only. Now see that first one. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia and lives in the Los Angeles. Now here relative clause were who. I call it. Here Nick is talking about what? His chicken drumstick is a small foot. And here who is the extra information about the Nick, because this relative clause is not this what is the it is talking about. Here talking about the small toe foot, but here relative clause giving extra information about the Nick. That is why it is non-defining relative clause. Now next, don't worry, you will understand. You just read 1-2 times and you will get the answer. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled person who had managed to achieve great things and help the other, said Nick. It is a defining relative clause. Now how? Here it is what talking about? That man. Only man. Who man? That who has managed. Only just a relative clause giving the information about that only man. What? I read the article about a disabled man. About disabled man only information is there. What here is there? After relative who, after relative clause is there, that also same information is there. That is why defining clause, extra information not there. Okay, next. He also plays golf with a club that is tucked under the chin. What is this part about tuck? The club. What is a club? Stick. Which is a stick is there. One side thick there and other side is some thin. Strong thick stick is there. What is used to play this what? Golf. Now about this only, this club only information there is tucked under it chin. So only one, that is a relative clause. This giving only information about club only. That is why defining relative clause. Now let's see this. It was the best decision they could have made for me. It is talking about decision. Okay, here. But after adds Nick. Who? Now it is a relative. After who? It is a relative clause. Who later achieved a degree in a financial planning and a real estate. Now see this relative clause giving extra information about the Nick. Here it is telling about decision, but here it is talking about the Nick extra information. That is why it is a non-defining relative clause. I think you understood now. It is clear. This part is and relative clause, just same information giving means that is defining relative clause. Okay, now Nick has a small foot on his left hip which help. See what is talking this part about small foot. Here also which help him balance and enable him to kick. Relative clause which here relative clause is started. This all relative clause which after relative. This is also talking about that only. That is, this is defining relative clause. Okay, next see. His mom invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen. Hold a pen where? Hold a pen? Only plastic device. That plastic device only giving information about that after relative clauses. Clause is a part of a sentence, big sentence only, not that only. Now, that is defining relative clause. Nick's parents made a decision. What is talking about there? Decision. Which may have been the best one they could have made for him. Here also, what talking? Relative clause also talking about decision. That is why it is a defining relative clause. I think you got it now. Okay, thank you.